As we go into the festive season, there are additional challenges along with our normal winter surges of illness. Over the public holiday periods, not all of our services are accessible in the same way as they would be throughout the rest of the year, and it's important that you seek help in the right place with the right person at the right time. This might mean going to community pharmacies who can give advice on minor injury and illness, or even services like opticians who can help with eye problems. On normal working days, your GP should still be your main port of call for acute minor illness or chronic conditions, and NHS 24 should be accessed on 111 for any injury that doesn't need immediate attendance to hospital. In the out of hours period, NHS 24 on 111 should be your primary port of call for acute injury or illness, and they will be able to direct you to the right resource to help you. If you have a loved one, friend or neighbour who is in hospital, it's important that you help us to make arrangements to get them home safely at the right time. It's much better for people to be in their own home if they don't need to be in an acute hospital bed. Either arranging for a family member or a taxi or one of the voluntary services which can help get people home will be invaluable to the NHS as a whole. It's also important when people are at home that we check on them. We make sure their heating is on before they get home. We make sure their cupboards and fridge are stocked with essential supplies in order to make it safe for them to be at home. We're very grateful for all the family members and friends who are helping to keep people at home who are able to stay at home. This reduces the pressure on our system and allows us to treat patients in the way we would want to. It's also important, and there is still time, to make sure people are stocked up on both their prescription medication and any over-the-counter medication they might require in the next 2 weeks. This would include paracetamol, ibuprofen, anything that people might need in a hurry, which isn't an absolute emergency. It is also important to follow the current COVID guidelines, which we have to acknowledge are changing rapidly, and we are all trying to react to these changes as best we can. It's important that you're vaccinated. Even if you have not been vaccinated yet, you still have the opportunity to get your first dose by attending any of our walk-in centres and going through the website, which allows you to book vaccinations in advance. We know everyone is under pressure and busy at this time of year, but we're very grateful for everything you can do to help us help you over the next few weeks. Thank you.